Hi guys, good evening or good morning. My name is Rose Charm and I know Amanda now way back from 2018, and I saw her in a Facebook page in Singapore. Um, I really admire the way she delivered her um, thoughts, and also especially the thoughts that she delivered I really like, and what she talking about I can resonate it as a helper. So I reached her out through messenger, that I said hi, I introduced myself and blah, and I really admire you. I tell her that I really admire you and the way you talk English, and I hope that I'm also the same. I can talk same as you, because I have difficulties in talking English. I'm not confident. So excuse me. So we met. We met one time in Botanic Garden. She teach me the basic workout and then yoga, and I cannot forget how she assist me in headstand because I really want to learn headstand that time, and she I admire her because she's very good in that headstand. I think she's the first helper that I know in Singapore doing yoga that time. So uh, so after that we always meet and we become close friend, and she teaches me a lot, and she introduced me to her mentor also, and mentor Swarnajit Mukherjee. So he became my mentor, and then we always meet. So who am I na we always meet that day at that time, every Sunday during our off day. So we spend time together and talking about our dreams, anything. So I can see that how she's very goal oriented, and she's very driven to her passion, her dreams. So I can see that how she very yung napaka ano niya, napaka focus niya sa dream niya, and then sabi ko bakit hindi ka na lang magpahinga. So yung mga dami niyang ginagawa, so I was in her side during the time na dami niyang mga pagsubok, mga hirap, iyak na nasaksihan ko, kasi alam ko na hindi ganun. So ako naman yung nakita ko yung mga sakripisyo niya just to reach her goal. Ako yung parang playing safe na. So but I thank you so much. I really admire you for who you are. You're a kind of person that humble, generous in any way, material man or yung mga needs. You know the empathy that you have. You know what your other people needs, and napaka kind, and very rare friends that I know that in my life. So I'm so grateful and happy to know you, and that I meet a friend like you, a strong woman that I meet in my life. So always be strong, because daming nakatingin sa iyo. Isa na ako doon. I really admire you, and that's all. Whatever you have planned, and I pray that God also bless you and provide whatever you need. So I miss you, and I hope to see you soon in God's timing, in God's perfect timing. And I know that you become successful one day, and you deserve the best, because I know how hardworking you are. So take care of yourself, and I'm always here. And if you need a friend, Thank you so much, CEO Amanda Now. God bless.